Welcome, brainy buddies. Today we are going to explore birds. Penguin, duck, sparrow, honey creeper, peacock, eagle, wagtail, weaver bird, European goldfinch, swan, hen, cock, ostrich, American goldfinch, quail, humming, crow, kiwi, falcon, toucan, kingfisher, flamingo, bee-eater, hornbill, Himalayan monal, bulbul, egret, goose, hawk, guinea, dove, shaft-tailed, golden finch, society finch, spice finch, pine siskin, saffron finch, owl finch, blue finch, zebra finch, star finch, strawberry finch, vermilion flycatcher, woodpecker, horseshen, flycatcher, crane, turnbird, jay, kestrel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.